Welcome back to yet another build video. Today we've got this Nissan Xterra in the shop and we're going to be building a front bumper with tubing, light cutouts, and a skid plate. So you can see I've already started removing the bumper. This Xterra actually has a little bit of damage here on the side, and unfortunately it also broke the bumper here. But what we're gonna do is replace this entire setup here with a nice off-road bumper. We are gonna keep this grill here. I'm probably gonna chop it right at this line right there. That way we have a nice flat section up here at the top, and the grill can sit very level and even with it. At the bottom, we also have the original skid plate, which I've removed, and I'm gonna be building one for him to cover and protect the bottom of the bumper there. I still have to remove the crash bar here, and then I'm gonna start up the template process. So we have a slight change of plans. Instead of doing an entire template like I normally would do, what I've done is I've already sent a preliminary rendering of what this thing is gonna look like complete, and my client was happy enough with the rendering. So there's really no need to do a physical template as well, because I've already achieved what I would have been doing with the template. So what I'm gonna do is start building the frame mounts and then the body of the bumper, and then we'll add the tubing, the light cutouts, as well as the skid plate towards the end. What I've also done is I've turned the following process into a little montage for you guys so that you can see how it was built, as well as enjoy the process along the way as well. All right, now the front bumper has been completely installed. Next order of business is going to be installing these fog lights in the fog light cutouts over here, but we do need to wire them up. This kit came with an entire wiring harness for the lights, as well as plugs, and also plugs to fit onto this wiring right here. I've kind of spread out the wiring for you so you can get a basic idea of how this one's going to be wired. We have our positive and our negative, and these are going to go connected to the battery itself. We also have this little relay here, and the wires that go to the battery all the way to the lights also have a fuse right here. Over here, I've put the plug just kind of off to the side because I'm going to have to wire this inside of the vehicle, but you get the basic direction of where everything is kind of going. This wire right here that goes all the way down are the ones that connect to the lights. So we have one that is short, and this will be used for this light right here. And then you see some length over here. This one's going to be for the driver's side light right here. I'm going to get all of this wired up, and then we will mount the lights. The front bumper for the Nissan Xterra is now complete. Everything has been installed. And this is the Nissan Xterra front bumper with tubing, light cutouts, lights wired up, as well as a skid plate. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as well as the process of this build. This thing was really exciting to put together. It really doesn't take much to take a Nissan Xterra to the next level, and I think we accomplished that with this off-road bumper setup. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video because we're about to get a Land Rover Discovery 1 in the shop so we can build a rear bumper for it. I'm very excited for the next build as well. If you guys remember, I built an entire Land Rover Discovery 1 last year, but I did not get a chance to film the entire process. The rear bumper was one of those things that I did not get to film. So I'm very excited to shoot a video for one of my favorite vehicles, and I hope you guys enjoy that process as well. Thank you again so much for watching this video and supporting this business, supporting the channel, as well as the pages that go along with this channel. It means the world to me how much you guys enjoy these videos. I will see you guys in the next fabrication video.